Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to use ChatGPT for thumbnail. So, first thing what you will do, guys, is just simply open the application ChatGPT into your device and make sure you have installed this application through the Google Play Store. And now, right away from the start, you should be able to have a clear tab over here, and you can just simply provide the title of your video. So the prompt will be so this one. So I provided, can you help me create a thumbnail? And this will be the text, how to create a Facebook account and provide the logo of FB as well. And just simply send it. And from here, as you can see, ChatGPT have some additional questions. And I will say this is for YouTube. And please provide me a sample picture. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.